Good morning, children. We will start our next part 2 from solar system. Okay, children, what I had explained about solar system. Solar system is the family of the sun. The sun, its 8 planets, the asteroids, the comets are the solar system. Now let us read. All pencils in your hand, just underline where I have underlined. The solar system, the sun, the 8 planets and other celestial bodies like meteors, comets, asteroids and satellites together are known as the solar system. Please underline. The sun is the head of the solar family with the 8 planets revolving around it. Now all of the solar system, the planets, the asteroids, the comets, the meteoroids, all revolve around the sun. Here you can see the lines over here. These are all orbits. So they orbit around the sun. Some celestial bodies emit their own light while some do not. Children, they emit their own light, but many of them don't. They get the light from the sun. They are lit by the light of the stars. Okay. As you know, sun is also a star. Here we have a quick revision. We will do this later on. Now, what are the components of the solar system? Let us see what are the components. As I told you, the sun, the planets, the asteroids, the comets and the meteoroids. So let us study about the sun. The sun is located in the center of the solar system. Where it is located? In the center of the solar system. It is a huge star made up of very hot gases. It is made up of very hot gases. It provides pulling, the force that binds the solar system. So it has the pulling capacity and it binds the solar system together because it is keeping them together. Size of the sun is about 109 times greater than the earth. It is 109 times greater than the earth, children. All the life forms on the earth depends upon it for heat and light. It depends upon the heat and light. That means all living things depend upon heat and light. The sun is estimated to be about 15 million kilometers away from the earth. How far? It is 15 kilometers away from the earth. Due to this distance, its tremendous heat is not felt. It takes 8 minutes for the light from the sun to reach the earth. So children, as it is very far from the earth, so the heat is not that much. We get a moderate heat and it takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. The temperature on the surface of the earth, surface of the sun is about 6,000 Celsius, 6,000 degrees Celsius, and that of its center is about how much? 150,000 Celsius. That is 1 crore 50 lakhs degrees Celsius. It's very far. Now we will read about the planet, children. Planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system in order of their distance from the sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets, and Pluto is considered to be a dwarf planet, and it is the 9th planet, but it is considered to be the dwarf planet. But in 2006 it was removed from the list of planets by International Astronomical Union, IAU. So what is IAU? You can write International Astronomical Union, and is now considered a dwarf planet. It is a dwarf planet. It is so small that it is not even considered. Planets are divided into 2 categories, inner planets and outer planets. Now let us see what are the inner planets. Inner planets include Mercury, Venus, Mars and Earth. They are named so as they are closer to the Sun. Because they are closer to the Sun, that is why they are the inner planets. They are made up of rocks and are also called the terrestrial planets. Okay, now they are called the terrestrial planets. Children, keep on underlining as I have underlined. Outer planets include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. They are also known as gas giants, and they are made up of gases. They are known as gas giants as they are made up of gases. Planets do not have their own light, but they reflect the light of the Sun. So children, the Sun is giving the light to the planets. We all experience that, that's why we get day and night. Okay? The shape of most of the planets is spherical, that means round. Each planet revolves around the Sun in a fixed path called an orbit. So what is it called? The fixed path is called an orbit. Underline this. Along with revolving around the Sun, the planets also rotate on their own axis. Okay. The planet also rotates on its own axis. The time taken by each planet for rotating and revolving is different. The Earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. 24 hours it takes to complete one rotation, and 365.25 days to complete one revolution. Means revolution causes 1 year and rotation causes day and night. Clear? It causes day and night. Rotation day and night. Revolution causes 1 year and season. Okay children? Because in a year there are season, and in rotation 24 hours it is day and night. Now let's see the distance. Okay, over here we have, do you know, planet is a Greek word which means wanderer, wanderer, which wanders from one place to another. That's why it's known as wanderer. This is the chart, children, that the planet's distance from the Sun. How many moons are there? How many rings are there? What is the total time of rotation? What is the time taken for revolution and diameter? Okay. The Earth. The Earth is a unique planet as it has life. Yes, we all know that it is a very unique planet because it has light. Not only life, sorry children, it has life because it has air, water and light, heat rather. It has all the conditions necessary to sustain life, such as temperature which is neither too hot nor too cold. It is a moderate climate we have. It's neither too hot nor too cold, which is moderate. Ability of oxygen, a life supporting gas. Yes, we breathe in oxygen. Presence of fresh air, fresh water and food. Fresh water and food is also there. Second is, about 71% of its surface is covered with water. Hence, Earth is also known as the blue planet, because you see children, the ratio is suppose this is the box, this is the only portion where you have the land and this full portion is water. So that's why it is 71% is your water. See over here, it is fully water and this little portion is only land. Okay, that's why it is known as the blue planet. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar system and the 3rd planet from the sun. It takes 365 days and 6 hours to revolve around the sun and 24 hours to complete one rotation on its axis. Okay, just a minute children. Okay, satellites. Okay, satellites are celestial bodies which revolve around the planet. They are natural or man-made. There are two kinds of satellites children, one is natural satellite and one is a man-made satellite. For example, moon is a natural satellite. Satellites do not have their own heat or light but reflect the light of the sun. They have the light from the sun. There are two kinds of satellite, natural and man-made, and it reflects from the, it gets the sun reflection. All the natural satellites rotate on their own axis besides revolving around the host planet. There are more than 100 known satellites in the solar system. Artificial satellites are man-made and are built for the purpose of collecting, communicating and broadcasting information. Why are they necessary children? To know. What do we know? Collecting, communicating and broadcasting information. Like we get the weather report from this satellite. Okay, it helps us. Now the moon. Moon. The moon is a heavenly body and a natural satellite of the earth. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from the earth. The moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution around the earth. It takes the same time to complete one spin on its axis. Okay children? Now the moon takes 27 days and 8 hours to complete one revolution. Means from here it goes till here. It takes 27 days and 8 hours. Okay, now you must have heard from your parents or your mother or your grandmother that today is Amavasya or today is Amavasya or today is Purnima. This we say in Bengali and Hindi. So this is what it says. That is the phase of the moon. Over here you see there is a dark patch over here. This is Amavasya, which is saying the new moon, and this is the full moon when we have Purnima. In Bengali we say it Purnima, also in Hindi we say it Purnima, when we have the full moon night. When that night is also lit up. In Hindi we say Chandni Raat. So this is that time. Okay, and these are the phases of moon. Now let us see. Thus, at one time, only one side of the moon is visible to us. The moon does not have its own light and reflects the light of the sun. It has craters all over. Wait, children. It has craters all over its surface. It also has many mountains and plains. The conditions on the moon are not suitable for the sustenance of life. Now, what are craters? Craters are big hole, kind of bowl shaped hole. Okay. That is the reason. Okay, children, so we can keep it till here and we will read phases of moon in the next chapter. Okay, thank you so much. Take care and stay safe. Bye.